So in today's video, I'll show you how to fix overheating while gaming on your Black Shark gaming tablet. It is totally normal for a device to heat while gaming, but if the heat is unbearable, if the heat is too high, you may want to check a few things. First of all, you shouldn't charge while gaming because that will produce a lot of heat and it may damage your battery. Unfortunately, I couldn't find an option on this tablet to enable bypass charging. Bypass charging is a feature that charges that like powers on the tablet but doesn't put the electricity in the battery. The battery just stays like unplugged during bypass charging, so it only powers the tablet and the battery isn't affected, and that's a great feature, but it's unavailable here. Now, what you may want to do if it's overheating too much, you may want to go to the game, and in each game it will be different, but here in Asphalt Legends, I can click on the settings in the top right corner, then find game settings and find sound and display. And you may want to adjust some display settings. You can see, well, there's not too much display settings, to be honest. So they won't be adjusting too much. Well, are there any other ones? Graphics settings, yeah, these ones we'd like to adjust, and you can lower the settings for these things to adjust them. You can also limit the frame rate. You can see the highest possible in this game is 90. This tablet supports 144 Hz, but if you don't need that much, you can limit it to a lower value so that it overheats less. And you can also change the visual quality. You can see here in this game it's named visual quality, but it may be named whatever else. And the performance mode is going to lower the quality but make the tablet overheat less. The default one and the high quality ones are going to respectively heat your tablet more. So that is the thing that you should adjust. If that didn't help, then try moving to an area where it's less hot. Try not to keep your tablet on your lap as you're playing, because that may also affect the heat dissipation. And one more thing is that you may want to remove the case in order to improve the heat dissipation. So there's this case you can see, and I can remove it in order to improve how the tablet's heat is being dissipated. Now that should help me a lot. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.